LightWerks understands that purchasing an AV or security system for your organization can be a sizable investment. That's why we believe that maintenance is essential to keeping everything running as it should, and the key to getting the best return on your original investment. Choose one of our technology-loving care TLC agreements and let LightWerks worry about your AV and security system maintenance for you, so that you can continue doing business as usual. Our certified support technicians will keep you covered with preventive maintenance visits and emergency response, increasing the lifespan of your systems and eliminating the stress and cost of unnecessary downtime. Our TLC agreements can provide qualified on-site support, remote system monitoring and notification, remote issue troubleshooting, resolution and escalation, and much more. Contact your sales representative at LightWerks to find the TLC support plan that is right for you.